Find the missing added part to solve 12 minus 7.
Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Here, in the missing fish pool, Sedge, the river otter, swims through the shallows, guided by Kit, the Shiba Inu. Look closely at the groups of fish darting through the water. A complete group is often split apart by the current, leaving one part clearly visible, while the rest stay hidden in the reeds. When a part of the group is missing, we typically view it as subtraction, a taking away, but we can solve it by turning the problem around and looking for the missing piece to add back. Finding what is missing makes the whole group complete again. It turns a problem of taking away into a simple process of building back. Up ahead at the fish weir, Sedge expects to find a total of 10 fish, but only 8 are swimming in the open water. Ask, 8 plus what makes 10? Sedge nudges the reeds, uncovering 2 hidden fish. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Since adding 2 completes the total group of 10, we have our answer. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2 because 8 plus 2 equals 10. Further downstream at the river bend, the water flows around a flat stone. There should be a total of 9 fish here, but Sedge only sees 6. We use the exact same strategy. Ask, 6 plus what makes 9? 3 more fish stir out from the shadows. 6 plus 3 equals 9. That addition fact solves the missing piece. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3 because 6 plus 3 equals 9. The sunlight shifts as Sedge reaches the 12-fish run. The water parts around an empty space, with only 7 fish visible out of 12. Try this one yourself. Ask, 7 plus what makes 12? Sedge dives, and a missing school of 5 fish rejoins the group. 7 plus 5 equals 12. By finding the missing part to add, you successfully calculated 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. 12 minus 7 equals 5 because 7 plus 5 equals 12. Finally, Sedge arrives at the catch count bank. To finish the journey, Sedge needs a total of 8 fish, but has only caught 5. Apply this strategy to the tally chart. Ask, 5 plus what makes 8? 3 empty carved rings sit next to the 5 caught fish. 5 plus 3 equals 8. The missing part is 3. Sedge needs 3 more fish, because 5 plus 3 equals 8. Reading the structure in the scene reveals how the mathematics works. The labels show what each quantity means. The animal action shows how the quantities change, and the notation records that shared relationship. Recognizing the relationship between addition and subtraction makes any missing part problem a matter of building the group back together.
7 plus 5 equals 12, so 12 minus 7 equals 5.